Welcome back to Super Sensations. I know I haven't posted in a while and I'm really sorry. I've just been really busy with a load of schoolwork and revision. But anyways, today we are going to be making smoothies. Before we get into the video, I want to give a shout out to this little puppy here. This is my new puppy. Her name's Mitzi and she's really adorable. I know she looks like a bit like a sausage dog, but actually she's a Jack Russell. And I got her a few weeks ago. Look at her. She's adorable. Yeah. So this is my dog. Anyways, on with the video. Now, the first smoothie that I'm going to be making, I made this up myself. I call it the Frozen Frenzy, and it's made of frozen raspberries, frozen blueberries, frozen bananas, and frozen blackberries. So it's made of all frozen fruits, nothing else, but I'm going to add some milk in there too to make it less of an ice cream, more of a smoothie. Let's get making! So I got a blender here, and the stuff. Here is my fabulous blender with a thing so I can mash the stuff in it. And first I'm just going to put in some of the frozen raspberries. Jeez, the dishwasher is noisy. Anyways, I'm gonna get some raspberries. And that was the moment where I realised that I messed up pretty bad. Oh, whoa! No. That's too much raspberries. So you only need about that much, because we've got loads of other fruits. Then I'm going to add some frozen blackberries. I picked these myself and just put them in a bag to freeze. And that's enough blackberries. Frozen blueberries, and some frozen banana. The thing is, don't put with frozen banana. When you freeze a banana, you're not supposed to put a full banana in to freeze, because then you can't really peel it. So I just chopped it up and put it in a bag so that it can freeze on its own. So that is my smoothie. I'm gonna go get some milk. And so I got some milk. Just gonna add it in so it's more, watery and more of a drink than an ice cream, because it would just turn out to be an ice cream anyways. And now we blend. Okay, now that's done and it's a bit smoother, it's time to drink it and review it as well. Review it and drink it. Oh, I just bent my nail back doing that. That was not smart of me. Now I'm going to put something on top of this. What would look cute? So this is the finished smoothie. I hope it looks good. I am going to taste it. I'm gonna get my metal straw because we saved the turtles, obviously. this is really good. I would definitely rate this a 4 out of 5, only because it's not as smooth as it could have been. But yeah, it's still amazing. I love this smoothie because not only is it delicious, it's also really healthy as well. I could get healthy drinking smoothies because it's mostly made of frozen fruit or just a bit of milk. Yeah, got a blueberry. Now I'm just eating the blueberry. You want some, Mitzi? You want some, Mitzi? Dogs can't eat blueberries. No. I'll give you a treat, okay? In a minute. Is that finished for me? Oh, she literally just came and jumped up onto my lap because she probably wanted my food. She's a friendly little doggy. Well, that's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!